What's good, YouTube? We back here with another video. We got Ghost and Solo. We out here at Caffeine Octane. We about to get some people reactions, see how it go. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And we out. Look at this home. Right here. That's the name of it. Of course, they got the black. Yeah. I know. Joint right here, tough, man.
Being D's on them, boy.
Yeah, diesel for sure. That's hard. So look, we getting way more interactions now, but it's gonna be crazy. Like, just wait until the day goes on. Especially when we get the dog coming in. Everything. Like, it's gonna be crazy. Good luck. Blood is blue, bro. This my dream car. I'm gonna have it in about 5 years. This car right here, I'm gonna have it in about 5 years. That almost sounds like a that's the Lambo. Huh? Yeah. Hell yeah. What's your name, though? Ty. What's your name? Connor? Tony. Tony. I look like a Connor. Alright, we'll see how. Oh my god. Is that a battery yet? So we're going to switch off when we get to the rich part, though, okay? Oh yeah, Oh, did you see the apple green Chevy that was here last week?
Yeah. I got a picture with it. It look like this?
Yes.
Yeah, hell yeah. I got a picture with a dope picture in front of that car.
That joint right there was tough.
Wow, buddy. Wow, buddy.
I'm about to say, wait, you see it? If you see the bikers and stuff, That's the bikers got this. Let me see it. Catch that little trash can. He's sweet.
Oh
Yeah, where's that at?
Here. Oh, she's beautiful. Beautiful. Hello. How are you guys?
Get the CA.
Yeah, get this.
Wide body. Rat load.
That's hard. I love the color. Yeah.
They're so beautiful.
This is his son.
Oh, really? That's amazing. They are beautiful. See, they match our Lady Dragon.
Yeah.
She's like, oh, they're lovely. They look like me. Very cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's go to the next one. Have a good one.
You too. Be safe.
You too. Hey, Todd.
Buckets. Hellcat, nigga. The only thing being the Hellcat is a sports bike.
Watch out.
Where he at? He finna fall? He good? Oh.
I'm behind you, so repeat the song.
It's gonna be a
It's a big walk. Hey, you said big walk? Big walk.
No.
This is crazy. You feel the heat too. You know these jumps from like Africa. They from
I was gonna go 10 mil a snake. Huh? I was gonna go 10 mil a snake. 10 mil, nigga.
Hey, bro.
I thought that nigga was Woody, bro.
6.2 liter.
Am I tripping?
No, you're not tripping, bro.
They look like Woody?
He got that tall too, for real.
Oh my god. Hold on. T-body. Hold on, let's cut.
We gonna come. Like the old school dance.
And the
Nice time, bro. All I like is old school. Old school. That's all I want.
he's like,
Ty, turn around, Ty.
Which y'all want to hold him?
Yeah. OMG.
Want to take a photo? Oh my gosh, you would?
Yeah.
Can you hold it? I can't hold the spike. Yeah. Oh, you want the spike?
Bad boy, bad boy. Y'all tortoise?
Yeah.
Can we trade?
We just talk about a pet swap.
Can we trade?
Oh my gosh.
Hi, beautiful.
What's his name?
That's Spice.
Spice.
It's small right now.
You get a video of this shit here?
Yeah, I got one.
It's a giant?
Oh my gosh. Yes, a tortoise.
Real smooth.
How are you not scared to hold that thing?
So soft.
He just said it like this morning.
Oh, cute.
Oh, so he fresh.
Yeah.
He fresh.
Freshly groomed.
He's showing up for everybody.
You're looking at paper.
Thank you.
Your tortoise. Your baby right there.
That's the cutest names.
Thank you.
I see you.
He ain't gonna go nowhere. If anything, y'all want to hold the snake till y'all get the tortoise back?
You're so adorable.
He definitely not gonna.
So smooth.
My tortoise named Penny.
Penny? Oh my gosh. How old is Penny?
20?
Penny?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture. Yeah, he's 20.
He been here for a minute.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm trying to make sure you're safe.
They like to explore a lot. This
I'm trying to make sure like you good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, they all got the zoomies right now. Especially Spice. She just want to go. I'm just like, sit down.
But how you like take care of your snake? I would say like to keep it living for so long.
Oh, you just gotta make sure the habitat great.
Yeah.
Keep the humidity up. Make sure it got a lot of places to hide. Feed it.
Yeah. Cause the furthest I only went was a ferret. But
Hey, so you should be straight.
yeah.
This is low maintenance.
Okay. Low maintenance.
Yeah.
Ferret high maintenance, bro. That shit high.
Once every 2 weeks, and then it's low.
How big do we get?
He's probably the biggest that we.
Okay. Cause I'm thinking about a snake, but I'm really doing more research on snakes right now. Cause I do want a reptile.
I sell snakes. I sell all reptiles. So if you're trying to take my Instagram, I got you.
You got a little one in your hand? I ain't even see that motherfucker. Well, Instagram. Oh shit, this your card right here?
Yeah, just take a picture of it. Just hit me up.
That's a
bet.
bet.
I sell all types of reptiles.
That's a bet. I got it. Hell yeah, appreciate you, bro.
No problem.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in touch with you real soon.
How we doing?
7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. This a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a fly, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world, concrete, flowers grow. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Last one they had one bigger than these.
Yeah.
So what y'all got? I got exotic animals?
Hell yeah.
How many exotic animals y'all got?
60 plus. I got like 5. I got a Savannah cat. I got a whole bunch of shit.
A lot of people be scared.
You take care of your kids, you got scared.
Get that bitch. No, but do a lot of people be scared to hold it?
Yeah.
They be scared to like get near you when you have it.
Yeah.
So
This is my smallest one though.
That's your smallest one. Why you ain't bring the big one out?
Yeah.
I don't want. I might hold the little one.
Yeah.
So none of them bite.
Nah. I wouldn't bring them out here, they bite.
So what y'all doing? Y'all doing y'all vlogging?
Yeah.
What y'all got a YouTube channel?
I got YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I ain't post nothing on YouTube yet, but you could follow my Instagram and I'll tag you on the post.
Got you.
Let me get this snake.
Hold on your neck.
How old?
He's 5. We need to get on this shit.
Emily, look at me. I got 2.
If you tag it, I'll be posting everything. So I said, any reptile you need, hit me up. I got you. Every reptile in the world I can get.
It's alright, I got 2 at home. Okay.
No problem.
What's this one?
This is a ball python.
Well, like, inchy, what? Yeah, I've got 2.
Really? What you got?
I have an inchy mix with like 5 other things. And then my dad has one of those that look regular like that, but with the white all over. And then it's got one black dot in the middle.
True story. Nice.
Yeah, love it.
It's a male.
Yep. What do you like?
Got snakes.
Alright. All good? He just like exploring.
I've held Allie so many times. Here, help it around my neck. There you go.
She got a little camera.
That's actually crazy. Oh. Is this yours?
Yeah. I have many. Yeah.
We always turn out in
Probably like 30 plus right now.
Really?
July.
Any venomous?
And one of the things that's great about the
I love my life.
community is different clubs. And all these different clubs are always doing great things for the community. And especially coming up with Twisted Sisters, Jeep Club.
He just put those somebody.
Suicide
That's so funny though.
Like
Did they freak out?
Surprisingly not.
September the 13th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating lo mein is child for now. Child, child. She got me wildin' out. Rory Italia, child for now. Child, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow, yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no I never pressed decline. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policy, she can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit.
Friday night. We also have downstairs race battles this weekend.
Okay. You gonna get things like that?
He's fine.
What about to do?
For downstairs race battles at CaffeineOctane.com.
You gotta work on it, yeah. Alright, you guys.
Alright guys, one more time. I'd like to ask you to come by the merchandise trailer and get you some Caffeine Octane t-shirts and hats. Diet Sanders Also, please stop by and say thank you to all the sponsors that are here. They're the reason Caffeine Octane is free and they work hard as much as you do. So after
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
That was the expiration date on it.
No, they get frozen right now. I'll give them some live a little bit later. Right now, it's just like frozen. Just to save the time.
You see the camera? Oh, Marty.
Exactly, I'll be posting and everything. Alright, y'all have a good one. Sister with babies. She's
hot.
She not even worried about it.
Yeah. She's never seen one, so I don't think she realizes.
Yeah, most definitely. Yo, what the hell?
Bro.
They got names? Yeah, this is Ghost and this is Solid. Hell yeah.
What is that? Are they both ball pythons?
Yep.
She's like, alright, cool, whatever, it's hot. I don't care. Thank you, though.
No problem, no problem.
I wasn't sure if she'd like, if like you put it down, like if she'd be like, oh, what is that? Because like, she hasn't seen a horse before, and that's like, I want to take her to the equestrian to Alpharetta to see what she does. But she saw a Great Dane and was like, okay. How old is he? 5. 5?
Dress it up and make it real for me.
He's the best.
Love that fucking nigga. Yeah, it's so unstopped for me. Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up and gas it. Put your lanes in the Grand Rapids. We the one that kept it cool with all these niggas till these niggas start acting. Shoot a nigga like Phil, man, I'm moving nigga, gon' let him have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shoot a nigga tragic. Only one that living lavish. Like I'm playing for the Mavericks. I done want it for the business, might have made me for me even though she average. Dirty money in the cook. The 45 by my good. When young nigga in the cook. Take you out for some joints. Counter spot, no rush. I'm on a one-way flush. Loud patch smelling mud. These fucking police can't touch me. These fucking police can't touch me. Fucking nigga can't touch me. I try to brush it with the VBS. I try to fall like it was a shit. Try to fall like it was a shit. Lift it up and go and out.
They're so beautiful.
Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up and gas it. Put your lanes in the Grand Rapids. We're the one that kept it cool.
I got a few at home. Yeah.
That male is
I got a female. This is my male. This is my male. My birdie's female.
Is that a ball python? We just got one.
Oh, really? yeah, my daughter like 5 years old.
I got a quart of corn if you want it.
I'll take it.
I'm down in Griffin, so I mean we'd have to eat on the weekend. We've got a lot of growing to do.
Yeah, 100%. I love the dog. Love her.
My mom was like, oh, no.
Hey, I sell snakes, so.
Really? You do?
Gotta get some. Hey.
You got Instagram or something?
Yeah, most definitely. I got it. I love his green eyes.
I know. My son had one in Orlando. They made it on my own. I was like, wait a minute, your snakes, you need to take them off me now. They're like, wait, what's it doing? I'm like, serious? Oh my gosh! I used to do that. Oh, it's beautiful.
If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a few. Boom, painter baby, be the neighbor. For the baby, be the you. It's on a cigarette, another smoker. We raise the bet, you're the joker.
Oh, I thought you had my bad. I think we have. Oh, good job, Lynn. Say my name.
That is scary.
So coming down, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last. I ain't feel like this in a long time. I ain't feel like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah.